Hello everybody, it's Suzanne here and welcome back to my channel, Face to Face Beauty, where I teach you how to do your makeup. For those of you who are new here and just found me, welcome. Consider subscribing, I would love that. And if you do, please hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Today, as you can see, I'm going to do an eyeshadow, just a quick little video to show you how I did this. This is very popular these days. This look is let's say, a nude with a little oomph. So let's begin. I'm going to put a little bit of my beloved eyefix on. Eyefix is an eyeshadow primer. Keeps your eyeshadow on and keeps it from creasing. Made by Elizabeth Arden. So just to put a little on from the lash line all the way up to the brow. So there we go. Today we'll be using the Morphe palette. Let me tell you which one. Colors out of this Morphe 15B Brunch Babe. So colors out of here. And the blue, well, I'm going to surprise you with the blue. First things first, taking my little brush, I'm going to dampen my little brush on my moistened paper towel. And I'm going to start this by dipping into, okay, let's grab those glasses again, into Beignet, right here. This one right there, it's called Beignet. And I'm just going to go into or onto my brow bone and into the crease with Beignet. I love these names. It's just so much fun to see what people come up with. So I'm just very gingerly placing Beignet right here. Very quickly, very easily. I'm going to build a little more color right here and blend it into the skin right there. Quick and easy. Next. Going to go into Patio. That's this one right here. Patio. Alright, just a little and go on the outside corner right there. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Suzanne and I am a Hollywood and European trained makeup artist. Had a lot of fun. I am 54 at the moment, mother of two, married, and I currently live in Phoenix, Arizona. It is Cinco de Mayo. Maybe I should have done a Cinco de Mayo video. Oh well, not this year. Maybe next year. All right. So, living in Phoenix, and it's already gotten hot. It's 2020. We're still reeling from the COVID-19 virus. So things are not back to normal yet, although stores are slowly opening up. And by Friday, today is Tuesday, by Friday, hair salons and all other places get to open within certain guidelines. So I've already heard from my wonderful hairstylist that as soon as she knows what's going on, she gets to open. Can't wait. Although I'm going to be out of town for a little bit, I hope that I can get in really quickly. That goes with my lash lady too, my lash girl. Now I'm going to go into this one right here, which is called Weekend. And I'm going to blend Weekend into the space between the color and the brow, right here. Soften that up just a little. And it's all about the blending, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about the blending. All right, so next step for me is, continue with this brush, is this color right here. And I really can't see that. Here are my glasses. I tell you, once you hit a certain age. All right, Bottomless Mimosas is the next shade, and that's this one right here. This one right there. And I'm just going to load up my brush, and it is damp. And I'm going to place that right here onto my eye and blend it out. Need to dampen my brush a little more. As I said, I live in Phoenix. We have very, very, very dry atmosphere here. So things dry quicker here than probably anywhere else. So I might moisten my paper towel, but halfway through, it's dry. Here we go. I'm dipping into Bottomless Mimosas and placing that, oh, much better, right here. Ooh, I like. And then taking a dry brush now, and I'm blending. Just like that. All right. What do you think so far? It's pretty quick, pretty easy. Let's blend a little over here too. Might as well, we're at it. All right, now going into this really light shade right here, which is called Whipped Cream. Whipped cream right here, right here. Whipped cream is going into the corner of my eye. Just like that. All right. Now I see that I need to add a little more color. I'm going to do that with the brown, with the patio right there. And add a little more out here in the outside corner. And I already can feel my little eye starting to water. You know, I thought that I'd gotten over that. Yeah, well, it is what it is, unfortunately. Ooh, water, water, water. I hope I can get this on and get a decent picture before it gets ruined, and we certainly don't want a ruined makeup. For a time, I was using the cream eyeshadow, and that worked. And then I went back to the powder, and that worked. And now all of a sudden, it's not working again. Darn. All right, I think this is good for now. Moving right along with my brow, not my brow, my eyeliner, my brown eyeliner. And this is a L'Oreal product that I just picked up. And I kind of like, and I'm doing a pretty heavy liner for this today. There we go. It's a wedge, and I'm bringing it into the corner, just like this. See? What a difference a little bit of dark liner can do for an eye, right? All right, next I'm going to place this liner into the waterline. Give it a minute. Ooh. Am I gonna go water again? I don't know. Okay, that's that. And now for the blue. For the blue, I am taking this little brush and I'm going into the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Mini Controversy palette and going into this blue right here, which is called the Simulation. Yep, Simulation, the Simulation. Here we go. So, wetting that brush and dipping into it. You really need very little of this because this is very, very pigmented. Great color payoff. They really did a fabulous job on these. All right, now I'm going to just blend this through a little. There we go. That was that. I think I need a little more brown on the waterline because my eye is tearing so much. There we go. And let's finish off with some mascara. This is Elizabeth Arden Black Mascara Grand Entrance. Thank you, Elizabeth Arden. Love Elizabeth Arden. All right, let's place some of this mascara right here. Coat those lashes. Cool little brush here. It's slightly curved and then it has some spikes at the end so that you can really get into the corners with these spikes. However, you have to be careful. Don't poke your eye with these, which, you know, ask me how I know that. Yeah, I've done it twice. Bam. Makeup ruined for the day. But we're going to be very, very careful. Place this very gingerly, just like this, and like that. And I think I need to adjust my color just a little. Always check your work. Always, always. Because we want it as symmetrical, as even as possible. And I think that's what we got. All right, let's spray using the Tarte Stay Spray. And, oh, refreshing. And just finish off. All right, that was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be mentioning the products that I use so that you can take a second look. I want to see you next time. Until the next time, stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy. Love to you all. This was Suzanne.